them in the video, so I gotta make new one. But yeah, this gonna be part 2 because I just ended the video. I didn't mean to, so yeah, I'm gonna go get the stuff. I'm make sure I'm not gonna end this. I got the materials. I got this and I got this. Y'all probably already know what I'm gonna do, but yeah, it seems like this. I could just put this in here. Nah, I'm gonna get it back that one's ready. But yeah, I gotta cut this. Let me cut it. Hold on. Y'all don't want my face. I'm over here looking at it because it looks nasty right now. Oh, that's so old I just did, but don't mind it. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna stuff this in here. I'm gonna get it out. Move, Zoe. Okay, y'all. It's stuff all over it, bro. I think it's cuts all over it too. Yes, bro. No, that one's funny. This is the biggest hole I actually noticed right there. So, yeah, I'm finna cut. I'm finna cut it open. Don't mind that, y'all, but that's my cat. Her name is Zoe. Don't say hi to her because she does too much. Okay, big yeah. I'm gonna put this in here. If I don't fit all of it, I'll be mad. Yeah, I'll be mad. Oh my god, it already looks scary. Okay, y'all see that? Yeah. I'll come back with that because I'm scared. Yeah, I got it. I'm so scared. Y'all, it busted. No. Y'all, I did not notice that. Look, bro. Y'all, I'm gonna throw this away. Not even gonna lie to y'all. Deuces to this. Y'all say goodbye. Actually, it's not that. This look like in the bag. I tried, y'all. Ooh, actually, man. Okay, we're gonna leave it out anyway. We're gonna do something else with this. And hold on, y'all. I gotta get my cat out the way. Okay, y'all, like, I cleaned out all of it. Don't worry about that's the water that's inside of it. Y'all, don't act how this is hard. But I'm still just debating which one should I put in there. Cause you know, I put the duck stuff. Okay, that's so good. You know, this is really good. This is it. But after this, I'm gonna do one more. So look, y'all, this is sugar sand filled. And I feel like this one has a lot in here, but like same time if I run out. I still gotta I'll probably tie this one off. If I run out. But then later, I got some more. Cause like, you already got some beads in it, y'all. So, yeah, I'm straight. It's sugar and sand. So it's like them stuff that you put in needles, but it has sand. And it smells really good. Yeah, I put some shaving cream in it. Yeah. If y'all can see, beads already falling out. It's blue. Don't match it, but whatever. Okay, y'all. I feel like it's not even enough. Okay, but yeah, I'm gonna put all it. Matter of fact, y'all, hold on. Watch me cook, bro. Actually, never mind. I'm not cooking, bro. Okay, we're gonna split this up. Since that's all I really could fit. Guys, this is irritating But yeah. Ooh. Oh my god. Okay. I could probably like tie this up. Or what if I put some coconut oil? Coconut oil. Coconut water. Y'all know what that is. No, never mind. Don't shut up. But yeah, I could probably leave it open actually. Look at this. Or should I tie it up, y'all? Team, tell me guys. Y'all been with me the whole time. If y'all still here, y'all is the goats, y'all's the queens. I mean, the queens of the zoo. Y'all. Y'all, you know, break this. Okay, I'm playing. Y'all the queens. I'm not even gonna play with y'all talk like that. Yeah. But yeah, y'all could probably just. Y'all, it's changed color when I made it change color. Yeah, I feel like I should actually do something. Yeah, no, I feel like I'm gonna tie this up. Yeah, I'm gonna tie this up, y'all. So I'm gonna go get a rubber band that won't break. Okay, be right back.